This practice of designing for health helps us identify where we are, where a particular circumstance, event, community, project is located along the axis of objective, which is the structural, the functional, the organizational, and the subjective, which is the inner, the consciousness, and along the axis of the individual and the collective. So where we find ourselves within those two spectras. And also to identify, is that the right place to be for that particular moment in our life or the life of our organizations or projects? Then we can also map if that whole construct, if that place where we are is moving towards healthier or towards less healthy, and identify particular actions, particular interventions that will keep on bringing us back towards health.
It is a design framework that helps us to track where we as individuals, as communities, as organizations are in relationship to health, to understand what health actually looks like for us in our particular context, and to identify interventions that we can put in place to help us to move closer towards that ideal or that vision of health. It is part of a wider framework that has been developed by Sophy. It's called Healthy Human Culture, and that is a set of understandings and practices that help us to create relationships, communities, and societies where all beings can thrive. Healthy Human Culture explains us why we create harm even when we don't mean to, and how to address this with compassionate and effective action.